Another day, another contractor. Let's see. They marked out a 10 by 10, must have marked 15 spots. That's not hail. That's not hail. That's a thermal crack. That's the corner. That's not hail. Thermal cracking. That's the closest thing yet. That's boot scuff. That's fresh. That's his boot. Still think that's not hail. It's probably the edge. Thermal cracking around a blister. Thermal cracking around a blister. Old boot scuff, probably from the install. Blatant mechanical damage. That's not hail. Blister. Mechanical. Blister. Mechanical. Mechanical. Blister. Mechanical. Yep.